So let's start with the main components, the CPU. And the CPU is AMD Ryzen 3 3200G with 4 cores unlocked with desktop 4 cores unlocked desktop processor with includes advanced Radeon 8 graphics card. No expensive graphics card required, and it can deliver smooth high definition performance in the world's most popular games. And also, it has 4 processing cores bundled with the quiet AMD Red Stealth Color with 4.0 GHz max boost, unlock for overclocking, 6 MB cache, DDR2933 support for the advanced Seagate AM4 platform, base clock of 3.6 GHz. So that's it for the CPU. Let's proceed for the motherboard. The motherboard is GIGABYTE GE8320M S2H. It has support AMD and 7th generation A series and also Athlon processors. And also it has dual channel non-ACC unbuffered DDR4 with 2 DIMM slots with ultra fast PCIe Gen 3. M.2 with PCIe NVMe and SATA mode support with high quality audio capacitor and audio noise guard, and Realtek Gigabit LAN with cross-speed internet accelerator support. So that's it for the motherboard. Okay, let's proceed on the M.2. This M.2 is 3D NAND SATA SD4 capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability as used for storage capacity. 1 terabyte equivalent to 1 TB or 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment, and also sequential read speed up to 560 MBs and sequential write speed up to 530 MBs as used for transfer rate or interface. MB means megabyte per second. So that's for the M.2. So for the RAM or the memory is Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 DRAM 32 MHz C16 desktop memory. It compatible with Intel 100 series, Intel 200 series, Intel 300 series, Intel X299, and also AMD. 300 series and AMD 400 series. And for XMP 2.0, support for trouble-free automatic overclocking. So that's for the RAM. And for the case is Color Master MCB Q300L KE NN S00 MasterBox. This case is supported with MATX tower with magnetic design dust filter and transparent acrylic side panel, and also has adjustable I/O and fully ventilated for airflow. And the I/O panel can be adjusted in 6 different locations, and the case can be positioned vertical or horizontal. With edge-to-edge acrylic transparent side panel offers a full view inside, and the body depth height can support normal size ATX power supply. And for the front magnetic design, the dust filter with open perforated front, top, and bottom for high air performance, and for the extra space behind the motherboard tray for hidden cable management. So that's it for the case. And for the important parts in your PC build is the PSU or the power supply. The PSU you will use is this EVGA 500 GD 8 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads, and for heavy duty protection including OBF or over voltage protection, UBF or undervolt protection, UCP or current protection, OPP means overpower protection. And the ACP short circuit protection. Or if you can find this same PSU, you can choose another brand with 500 watts and it has 80 plus bronze or gold certified power. So that's for the power supply. That's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.